Yeah. Yo, yeah, I just put 4 in the backwood, and I'm never going broke like a backwood. Shawty say she want the pipe cause I rap good. Find her in the DM cause she hit me with her ass up. I'm like, listen, don't let me in my kitchen. When I start writing in a beat, start hitting. Got a nice pen cause I got good riddance. When I kill shit, it's good riddance. I just wanna be the greatest. Life ain't really no piece of cake shit. Blind to it all, I don't see the fake shit. Plenty of dough, but I don't need to bake it. Plenty of girls, I don't need attention. And other things that I don't need to mention. We'll talk about that shit another time. Probably say that shit just for another line. Got some other things to cover. Fucked her once, now you love her. I cannot relate to others. I just make moves and get paid with my brothers. I'm gonna blow up and I swear to my mother. And I'm so damn high that I'm never low. Yet I stay low key cause you never know. And I'm getting hella brain from clever hoes. And I would never ever tell you how I level up. I just do what I do, no questions. That bitch said she meet me in the West End. Said she probably gonna bring a couple best friends. Said to say the things God interested. Now I'm just scoring like soccer games. Why you flexing with a copper chain? That girl say her top's insane. Pulled out the keys and unlocked the range. Like yeah, think I finally found a sauce. Graduated from the juice. Started from the bottom, now I'm cause she got money for days. Yeah, I just flew to LA. I needed a haircut, so I hit up the boy Stevie with the scissors and start rolling bear blunts. Here's a